Look at this certified pre-owned 2008 Toyota Tacoma. Carfax has certified this Tacoma as having one owner. This Tacoma has just under 31,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Tacoma boasts a 2.7-liter inline-4 engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, MP3, tinted windows, driver airbag and 12V power outlet. Call 803-667-4172 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.